Hexadident ligand. So definition is common, just number will change. 2 electron pair, 3 electron pair, 6 electron pair, 2 coordinate covalent bond, 3 coordinate covalent bond, 6 coordinate covalent bond, like that. So it is not necessary to remember all time, just you extract the common words and just add 2, 3, 6 and there will be the definition of classification of ligand. So now we are having example of dident ligand. This is definition. Suppose we are having ethane 1,2-diamine. Ethane 1,2-diamine is dident ligand. CH2, CH2, here is NH2 and here is NH2. You can see that this is ethane 1,2-diamine. This is one molecule. This is one neutral molecule. And this one neutral molecule having 2 nitrogen atom will donate 2 electron pair, 2 metal ion. This is ammonia. Ammonia is neutral molecule. But ammonia having only 1 nitrogen, so 1 nitrogen can donate 1 electron pair. This is also a neutral molecule. This is also one neutral molecule, and one neutral molecule having 2 different nitrogen present, so 2 electron pair will be donated. So example is what? Then example, ethane 1,2-diamine, in shortly said En. So we are having PT, En twice. Suppose it is example. And PT having oxidation number 2, so here will be 2. So PT, En1 here, En1 here, 1 En will form 2 coordinate bond, 1 En will form 2 coordinate bond, and here is the its oxidation charge. Can be drawn like this. PT, En means what? NH2, CH2, CH2 and NH2. So here nitrogen is donating electron pair to PT, nitrogen is donating electron pair to PT. So here are one molecule having 2 different nitrogen will donate 2 electron pair. Again we are taking En, NH2, CH2, CH2, NH2, and here is donating electron pair to PT, and here is 2 plus charge. Means what? It is not tetradident ligand. You just concentrate on one molecule. Here are 2 molecules, means will donate 4 electron pair, but number of En is not considered. Just consider the molecule present attached to platinum. Here are 6 ammonia. Suppose we are having Cr, Na3, 6 and 3 plus. Means it is not hexadident ligand. You concentrate on only one molecule. Number of molecule will not decide the classification of ligand. Number of electron pair present in neutral molecule will decide the classification of ligand. So this is the example which is not properly given in your textbook. I am giving properly in your text to explain you. Now we are having another example. Suppose oxalate ion OX is 2 minus. Ready? So OX means what? This is oxalate. It is C2O4 2 minus. This is oxalate. And here are two negative charge. So oxalate, one oxalate molecule having 2 oxygen, and that 2 oxygen will donate 2 electron pair. Suppose we are having nickel. Here is oxalate, will donate 2 electron pair. Another oxalate will donate 2 electron pair, and nickel is 2 plus, one oxalate is 2 minus, so charge will be 2 minus. Then how can we draw that structure? Let's see. So nickel, oxygen, then carbon double bond carbon, carbon double bond carbon, and here is also oxygen. Here is oxygen, can form covalent bond. Ready? So oxygen, here is oxygen, carbon double bond oxygen, carbon double bond oxygen, here is covalent bond. So one oxalate ion, here is 2 minus, one oxalate ion, this is one oxalate ion, 2 oxygen will donate 1 electron pair. Here is one oxalate ion, 2 oxygen of oxalate ion will donate 2 electron pair. So it is dident ligand. Oxalate ion having 2 different oxygen. Same way, ethane 1,2-diamine, one molecule having 2 different nitrogen. So it is dident ligand. It is clear now. Ready? So I am doing this properly. Oxygen, carbon double bond oxygen. Now it is proper. So it is dident ligand. Now we are going to discuss about tridident ligand. What is tridident ligand? Means what? One molecule, neutral molecule, will donate 3 electron pair and form 3 coordinate covalent bond. Then it is tridident ligand. Let's see with proper example. Tridident ligand. So one molecule will donate 3 electron pair to metal ion to form 3 coordinate covalent bond. Then it is tridident ligand. Suppose we are having propane 1,2,3 triamine, CH2, CH2, here is NH2, here is NH2, and here is NH2. 3 nitrogen present in one molecule. So 3 nitrogen of one molecule will donate 3 electron pair and form 3 covalent bond by one molecule. Then it is tridident ligand. Suppose we are having Cr, a propane 1,2,3 triamine is known as PTN. So Cr PTN twice Cr is 3 plus, PTN is neutral, so here will be 3 plus charge. Then what will be the structure? So Cr is over here, here is NH2, here is NH2, here is NH2. You just draw 3 NH2 to form 3 coordinate covalent bond with chromium. Now complete the formula of propane 1,2,3 triamine, means CH2, CH, CH2 and attach with amine. So this is the one molecule of propane 1,2,3 triamine. Again draw 1, 2 and 3, and NH2 will be 3. Nitrogen of amine compound. Now complete the propane 1,2,3 triamine. So here will be CH2, CH2, sorry CH, CH2 and complete the structure. Now it is the structure is now ready, and here will be 3 plus. So one molecule will donate 3 electron pair. So it is trident ligand. Number of molecule is not important. Here total 6 coordinate covalent bond, but it is not hexadident. You just concentrate only one molecule. In propane 1,2,3 triamine there are 3 nitrogen, so it is trident ligand. In ethane 1,2 diamine there are 2 nitrogen, so it is dident ligand. In ammonia there is only 1 nitrogen, so it is unidident ligand. Now it is cleared. So we are having 3 types of ligand: unidident ligand, dident ligand and trident ligand. Hexadident ligand will be discussed later on. Kindly watch my video 2 times, 3 times. Kindly pick up my words and try to understand, and send me homework 2 times by today evening. Thank you very much.